in the house of your friend. Then of course, what the time theater was before living. Mga dinagbayad na siya. Mga dinagbayad na siya na mga ticket. That's only a reminder on your part. Okay, public places. The streets, parks, malls, or public transport. Walk to the right side of the sidewalk and do not block the way. Right side naman, hindi magagi, hindi na sa left side. Always to the right side, then do not block the way. Pag nasa dalan, always right side. Okay? Then give way to elderly, pregnant women, and persons with disabilities. Nakita ko na yan, din sa simbahan, kapauna-una pa sa kita. Hindi mayo na. Always use the trust deeds or pasipahan, do not litter. Hindi niyo po pa makulang kasuway ng mga kailangan along the highway or also public transport. Keep your voice low in public places. Hindi po po magsalita na sa public places. Stay in the place. And then, if you can see the senior citizens, the old people, or with disabilities, you can offer them a seat. Pwede ka mo mag-offer sa seat. Pero anong magkatapos kung buhay na? Malaking hindi kulang na. Tindong kumanda. Kita nyo na sa masalakyan. Okay, in theaters and cinemas. Sa mga theaters o sa cinemas, sa mga sinihan. Arrive on time until your seat ready. May punong announcing. Now, silence your phone and avoid raising picture with the show. Do not look loudly or make unnecessary noise. Avoid blocking others' views. Hindi nga may nagpupunong sa ito, sumusubong na niya. Nagkabungan mo. Wait for the credits to end. You will reading them informal sitting. So, this it is not only for cinemas, but in theaters. Anong theaters? Anong theaters? Ilan mo na sa mga formal events nila. Nakita nyo na sa mga TV, may mga birthdays, may mga drag, that is theaters. So practicing proper etiquette helps in building strong relationships, showing respect and making a positive impression in every situation. Being polite and considerate